If you want a robot that can vacuum and mop, but you're overwhelmed with all the options, let me show you a few of my favorite mid-range combos: the Shark Power Detect and the Roborock Qrevo S. So let's dive in, and I'll let you know what's the same and what's different between these two awesome robot vacuum mop combos. First, let's start with what they have in common. It's a lot, and it's pretty exciting that all these features are packed into machines with a lower price point. First is the biggest, most life-changing feature. Both machines have self-emptying stations, emptying dirty water and debris into an all-in-one station, drastically reducing the need for you to be involved in the cleaning process. Both have tanks for clean water that automatically refills the vacuum when it returns to the station, and a dirty water tank that automatically empties the mop water. The vacuums empty themselves into a bag in the Qrevo S and a bin in the Shark, and they only need to be emptied every month or two. I have 6 kids, and I'm constantly struggling with sticky messes on my kitchen floor. So I love that both of these can vacuum and mop, getting my floors so much cleaner than vacuuming alone. Plus, they can vacuum and mop at the same time, and they transfer seamlessly from hard floor to carpet. They both have pretty good obstacle avoidance and easy-to-use apps that make cleaning my floors as easy as click and go. Now here are the differences. One of the biggest ones is that the Qrevo S can store multiple maps. So if you have a multi-level home, it is possible to carry the vacuum upstairs and have it clean that floor as well as the main floor. The Shark only has one map, so if you have more than one level, you're kinda out of luck. But when it comes to transitioning between carpet and hard floor, the Shark does a really nice job. It lifts the entire back end when it senses carpet, so it completely avoids getting the wet or soiled mop pad on the carpet. The Qrevo S also lifts its mop pads, but not with as much clearance as the Shark, and you can get a little bit of moisture on the edges of the carpet. However, the Shark app is pretty basic and not nearly as user-friendly as the Roborock app. In the Roborock app, I can adjust all the levels, suction, water level, etc., for optimal cleaning. The Shark is supposed to detect all this on its own, but I think it misses some things, and I prefer having the ability to choose the settings. And this is a very small thing, but both machines speak from time to time to let you know if they're stuck or if water needs to be refilled, and the Shark voice is kind of muffled and impossible to understand unless you're right next to it. The Roborock voice is very clear and easy to understand, even when I'm in another room.
Going to watch the mop.
If you've ever owned any robot vacuum, there is one annoying thing that is just part of the package when you let a robot do your cleaning. Sadly, even with the best obstacle avoidance, they sometimes get stuck. The Shark has some of this figured out though, and it gets stuck much less often than most. When it accidentally runs over a sock or a cord, it reverses the vacuum brush and lifts the back to let it free. It can still get tangled and stuck, but it's really rare, whereas the Qrevo S is about average. The Shark also seems to have a little more powerful vacuum, picking up slightly more dirt and debris than the Qrevo S. But the Shark is also way more noisy, at least in my house. The Qrevo S operates pretty quietly, and I can still have a conversation or even talk on the phone with it running near. And when it comes to mop cleaning power, I'm also much more impressed with the Qrevo S. Its 2 spinning mop heads are a little more effective at cleaning up sticky messes and dried-on food than the Shark's single pad. So there you have it. These are both awesome machines that make life so much easier. I'd go with the Shark if you want a really good, though loud, vacuum that very rarely gets stuck. And the Qrevo S if you want a superior mop, more helpful app, and quieter operation. I've been really happy with both, but for my home, the Qrevo S is a better fit. It's reduced my daily cleaning time by several hours, and it allows me to have a way cleaner house every day despite messy kids. Whichever you choose, you can look forward to way less hands-on cleaning. Links are in the description if you want to check out either of these. Please subscribe for more reviews and detailed product comparisons.